Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick snack that's packed with a lot of nutrients. This delicious Farmers Market salsa is full of flavors and a lot of vegetables that you can find at your local farmers market. We're going to pair it with some homemade baked tortilla chips that only requires 3 ingredients. I've made this recipe diabetes friendly by using fresh vegetables and making homemade chips from whole wheat tortillas that are high in fiber and low in fat, unlike traditional store-bought alternatives. So let's get started. First, I'll need to wash my vegetables under running water. When washing vegetables, you don't need soap or sponges. You just rinse your whole vegetable and make sure there's no dirt or other debris present. Now that all my vegetables are clean, I'll cut them up and add them to a large mixing bowl. I'm going to dice some zucchini and tomatoes, then chop a red onion and some red and green bell peppers. In another bowl, I'm going to add minced garlic, fresh cilantro, black pepper, salt, sugar, and lemon juice. Stir until the sugar is dissolved, then pour over the vegetables. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, gently toss them together. Cover this up and let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This will allow the veggie flavors to blend. While the salsa is chilling in the fridge, let's make our tortilla chips. First, I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a baking sheet. To start the chips, I'll take some whole wheat tortillas and use a knife to cut them into 8 little wedges, just like this. Once they're cut, I'll lay them out in a single layer on the greased baking sheet. Next, spray your chips with cooking spray and give them a light sprinkling of salt. Pop them in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes and rotate the pan after 3 to 4 minutes to make sure they bake evenly. My chips are crisp and have a light golden brown color, which means it's time to take them out and let them rest for 5 minutes. Now that the chips are done, I can take my salsa out of the fridge and serve them together. My goodness, this Farmers Market salsa looks delicious. If you want to make this dish yourself, take advantage of your local farmers market and bring home some fresh produce. The Farmers Market salsa and baked tortilla chips can be an appetizer, a side dish for a Mexican casserole, or just a healthy snack. The salsa leftovers can be kept in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, and leftover chips can be kept on the counter for up to 1 week. The recipe for the Farmers Market salsa and chips can be found online at LSU AgCenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. For more recipes, follow us on Pinterest and Instagram. You got this. Let's build a healthy meal.